The National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Coleman County in west central Texas, southern Taylor County in west central Texas, northern Runnels County in west central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pumphrey, or near Winters, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Winters and Bradshaw around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Tuscola and Lawn around 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Goldsboro, Wilmeth, Drasco, Lake Winters Lake, Pumphrey, and Ovalla. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Texas.